This video will work through problem 5.8 in Gapenski's Healthcare Finance, 6th edition. Okay, in 5.8, we're dealing with Triangle Pediatrics. They have 1,000 visits per year at a price of $50 per visit. So total revenue equals $50 times the number of visits. The variable cost per visit is $30. And their fixed costs are $15,000. So their total cost function then is $15,000 plus 30V. So their profit function is going to be 50V minus 15,000 minus 30V, right? Because I'm subtracting total cost. All right. So construct the base case projected P&L statement. Oh, sorry, wrong line. Yeah, construct the base case projected P&L statement and the projected P&L statement incorporating proposed changes. The proposed change is the business manager suggests that pediatrics can increase the number of visits to 1,200 per year by cutting the price per visit by $5 and increasing fixed advertising budget by $5,000. All right, so is this worth doing? Well, it'd be worth doing if we can increase our net profits by reducing our price and advertising more. So we're going to need to do two P&Ls. So we'll start with the base and then we'll write the other one. So revenues in the base are going to be, we're going to assume 1,000 visits times 50 visits. So total revenue is going to be 1,000 times 50, which is 50,000 in the base. And then our variable costs will be 30 times 1,000, which would be 30,000. So our total contribution margin would be 50 minus 30, or 20,000. And then our fixed costs are 15,000. So our profit is 5,000. Now, if we make the changes, total revenue is going to be $45 per visit because we're going to cut the price by $5. No change to variable cost, no change to fixed cost. Fixed cost is going to go up by 5,000. So fixed cost is going to be 15,000 plus 5,000 for advertising, which is 20,000. And volume is going to go from 1,000 to 1,200. So now we're going to have 1,200 visits times $45 per visit. It's going to give us 54,000 in revenue. So we're going to make a little more revenue. We're going to have 1,200 visits times $30 per visit, $36,000 in variable costs. So our contribution margin is going to be 14,000. That doesn't make sense. 54 minus 36 is 18,000. Remember what I did there. The fixed cost is going to be 20,000. So our profit is going to be 2,000 negative if we make that change. So we would go from making a profit of 5,000 to a loss of 2,000, or a decrease in profit of 7,000, right? We went from 5 to negative 2. The difference there is 7,000. So no, that's not a good idea. Bad practice, manager. Let's see. And then part B says, how much would visit volume need to increase in order for Triangle Pediatrics to break even with the proposed changes? Okay, so then we need to know what the profit function is with the proposed changes. So the profit function, remember, is total revenue minus total cost. Total revenue in this case is going to be 45V. And then total cost is going to be fixed cost of $20,000 plus $30 per visit in variable costs. Distribute the negative. Combine like terms. And then add 20,000 to both sides. We get 15V equals 20,000. And so we just need to divide both sides by 15. And we get volume would have to get up to 1333 in order to break even under the practice manager's proposal.